still in Baguio. But last night, we were in SM Baguio. So, we have a book sale hall. Let me share with you our book sale hall. Unlocking your creativity. Medyo pricey siya, but yan, we can use it sa paggawa ng ating mga training modules. Exercise for overcoming obstacles for creative thought. Tips for boosting innovation and creative problem solving. Guidance of finding fulfillment in work and in life. Ayan, so magagamit natin yan sa ating mga training modules, mga consulting companies natin. And another one is the Deming Route to Quality Productivity. Ito siya, roadmaps and roadblocks. So magagamit din natin sa ating consulting work. Ayan. So we're still in Baguio, enjoying the scene of Baguio and weather. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.